Hi, I'm Rahul. Today we are going to do an unboxing of Nokia Lumia 720. This is a mid-range phone with 4.3-inch screen and 1 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon S4, and it has a 512 MB RAM and 8 GB uh, internal memory. So let's go ahead with the unboxing of this phone. So this is the phone, plastic covered and everything. So we'll look into the phone after this unboxing of all things. Let's see what this box has. Okay, this is the pin that is used to remove the SIM tray on the phone. And there is the manuals and details about the Nokia Lumia 720. And what we have is the common things like charger for charger. This is the USB jack, and we can use it as a charger because it has USB charging also inbuilt. And this is the 3.5 mm jack headphone. It's look not very great. It's not an in-ear headphone. I don't know the quality, but I don't think it will be a great sounding headphone. It's quite nice to have everything. So that's it on the box. Then we can straight away go ahead with the Nokia Lumia 720. So the red Nokia Lumia 720. It's a preferred one because it's better looking one than any other Nokia Lumia. It's a great one. Let's see, this is a 4.3 inch 4.3 inch IPS LCD display. It has a QVGA 4 into 800 pixel resolution. That's approximately 217 pixel per inch, and it has Corning Glass 2 for the protection, and it has CBD, that's clear black display technology of Nokia. That means sunlight readability will be very good. It has an 8 GB internal memory and 512 MB RAM, and it has microSD support too. It will support up to 64 GB, so it is a great addition. Inside it has a 1 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon S4 processor with Adreno 305 GPU. Not bad or not great either. I already said that this is a mid-range device, so you can expect a, and also Windows does not support quad core, only support dual core, so that is also the. Then there is AGPS, GLONASS, and sensors like accelerometer, proximity, and the compass sensors. This phone is actually 9 mm thick. 9 mm thick. You can see the thickness. It's great. It has 128 grams. It's a great thing. Look, it feels really great in the hands. You can see that from my hands. It really look great and it's feeling solid. So because it's a one-piece polycarbonate, that means battery is non-removable. Sadly, it has a 2000 mAh battery. I think that's good enough to run for 1.5 days. And let's see what does it has. There's a 3.5 mm jack, and this is, I guess, is the SIM tray. You can use that. Already I told you that is a SIM pin. We can use that pin to take the SIM tray out. Then there is this is some micro SD support. You can also use the pin to do that, to put the micro SD card in. And the bottom, there's a USB port, and also it will be the charging port also. And here there is a dedicated camera button. This is the power key, and this is the volume blocker key. And the Above there is a 1.3 MP camera for video calling, and it will record 720p resolution. It's great. And it has a, the aperture size is of 2.4. It's just simple silly details. Then we have in the rear is a Colgis lens. It's a 6.7 MP camera, can again record 720p. That's sad, should expect a 1080p recording, but nonetheless it's what you get. Then there's a single LED flash, and the main important thing is the sensor size is 1 by 3 by 4 inch sensor size. It's not a big one or a small one. It's a good addition. And the biggest strength of this camera is 1.9 inch aperture. That means it can take great low light photos, not like Nokia Lumia 920, which has an inbuilt OIS, which can help it to focus on the day night, but not like that. But it's quite good, right? Let's see what it can do, and let's get on with switch on the phone. So that's it. That's a lock screen where we can change and everything. That is the main thing that we can customize in this phone. And look at this is a one gorgeous phone, red one. I really like the touch is good. It's Windows 8, as we already know. So it's the live tiles, which will tiles. I'm not having put a sim here, so I can show you how much this is, how much we can use, how we can use. And it has a very good viewing angle. See, I am holding this for 90 degree, almost 90 degree, 180 degree. Look at it, still we can see and read. Personally, I'm not a big fan of 90 degree and everything, because people can scorch in their, if you're typing messages, people can see it. But nonetheless, it's good if you're seeing a video for a group, so that will be great. Viewing angle is really great. And there is a live tiles and everything. Yeah, we can pin anything into it. Then there is the total applications on the right side, everything that is already installed on everything. There is camera, there's here drive, and here maps the navigational system of the IE10. Then there are a lot of lenses of the Microsoft Office, which is a great one, great addition. The other phone does not have that. The Nokia specific applications are for, especially for Nokia phones, that is actually standing this apart from the Samsung and HTC phones. Uh, then we can look at the tiles, everything, the photos and everything. Then let's see the camera. This is a dedicated camera button, as I said earlier. Let's click on it. We have the camera here. So okay, camera, let's see what it can do. I put my finger on the, okay. It's okay. It's not a quite awesome camera. It has a 6.7 MB, so expect that. Then there is a video, and there's a front cam. Change it that we can see the video. There's a front cam. Let's see. Okay, that's a very good front cam. I think I really like it. It's a very great one. Then we have the lenses features. That is the lenses features of there's a lot on this. I think these 4 of them actually are inbuilt on every phone, but this Nokia Glam is inbuilt for this one. First time in Nokia Lumia 720. It's a very good addition. Look, I can take my pictures. It has a lot of filters and everything. Look at this. There is a lot of filters to use, and there is and special effects, and you can use to change it. Look at this. There's a lot of editing options. Look, you can pop up the eyes, you can small it, and everything just like that. It has soften skin softening, toning. You can take great portrait your pictures, great your own pictures. You can make it look great. That's good. It's actually a very good thing. And that's it for the camera, I guess. Then the photos I have clicked with, it's very pretty good. Mm, okay. So photos I have clicked with this phone as a front camera photos, and it has a pretty good color reproduction, I guess. But it's not it does not have the pixel strength, but it has a very good color reproduction. As clicked it with my phone, and this video is recorded by Nokia 808 PureView. It is a very pretty awesome camera. I have compared the photos. The colors are real. So okay, look at this. This photo is not. It's actually not very natural colors. It's not a very natural color, but it really look awesome. I really like the screen also. It has a vibrate, and even though it's IPS LCD, it has good color reproduction. That's a video I put it. That's a front camera. Let's see. So this is the front camera test of Nokia B720. Yes, front camera test is it's very look really nice. Really nice. Look at the clarity and everything, the green and the back side. It's very clear. It's very good for 3D video calling for sure. Enjoy. And I took some low light photographs. It's actually not. I think that it's not that personal photos or everything. Okay, this is taken without any flash. So on the night mode I picked it. It's great, it's very dark. And this is the one I took with flash. You can see the difference. This is the one in night mode, this is on flash, and this auto mode is also great. It has captured the thing, but I think the night mode just blasted. I will look at the details we got here. There's nothing here. This is a flash pic, and there's look here also very less pics, and this is one we take right now. Okay, so that's it. Then what I can say, it's a very great phone for 17,000. It's one of the best phones available if you are ready to, if you are ready to take some compromises. Applications are very less. I am using the Android also. I know that there's a lot of applications missing in Windows 8, but still, it's not everything will be missed, but it is missing on the phone. Yeah, and yes, I missed one point. This is a phone with a super sensitive touch. Let's see how it works. If I'm wearing the gloves, look there. If I'm wearing gloves, even I can use the touch will work. That's an awesome technology. See, I'm wearing a gloves and still I can use it. That's great. You can use anything to work actually. That's a great technology. I really like it. So that's it from my part. It's a great phone. If you're looking for a phone at the budget of 15,000, 16 to 18,000, you should consider this phone. This is a beauty of a phone. Actually, the red one, I really like the red one, and it's a very great phone. If you're looking for a phone 18,000 range, you should consider this. That's it. I'm signing off. I'm Rahul, and I'm signing off. I will try to get another phone to unbox. Let's see how it goes. Take care.